Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So what I do basically on this channel is to share various opportunities that will give you access to make money online, and I have various tricks on how to do that without even making a deposit into your account when you sign up in most of those platforms that I share here. So this particular platform that I'll be talking about here in this video is a platform that was launched on 13th, being yesterday. So I actually decided to create this time and make a video to get someone out there informed on how to benefit from this platform. So it's absolutely free, and they are running a promo event whereby you get registered and instantly you receive $2 while completing the simple stacks that I'll show you how to do that. Then I'll also show you the guide on how to get a free VIP without stress, and also you get to start withdrawing $1 on daily basis from this platform. So right here now I am on my registration dashboard. So the registration process is very simple. So all you need to do is to insert your mobile number here, then you proceed with the password, then the invitation code will fill itself when you use the link in the description of the video to get registered. So without wasting much of our time here, I will simply dive in by logging into my own account and show you step-by-step method on how to do that, and other things that might be quite beneficial you need to know about this platform. So let me quickly log into my account and show you every other thing. So right here on my screen, as you can see, I've logged into my account, and this is actually the home page of my account. So it's absolutely user friendly. So everything you need to do here, it's very simple, and it's pretty cool to play around this platform. So the first thing you're going to do is to come to this place. So as you can see, when I click on me here, you see that a new page will pop up, and you see that my account balance is just $2. So actually I just completed a few tasks, which is very simple to do, and I got these two tasks, $2 immediately. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to complete your task immediately you sign up on this platform. So to complete your task, you simply click on this center button that is showing work. So with this Amazon logo, so when I click on work, or you wait for the page to load, and you will see tons of listed VIP levels that have been made available on this platform. So for the fact that you're just registering new as a free VIP user, all you need to do is to click on this first one, which is showing VIP 0. So you click on it, and it will take you to a new page like this. You follow the step. It's just 2 steps task completion stage. You just click on this, and it will write successfully, and then you click again and it will be completed. So it's very simple and easy to follow up. So now the next thing I'm going to show you, immediately you finish the task, you see that your account balance will reflect with $2. So let me just show you the next thing you're going to do immediately you finish the task. So as you can see right here, there are tons of VIP levels, as I've actually said, but the place of our focus is on this VIP one, how we can be able to grab this for free without any deposit. For someone who might not have access to follow the strategy that I want to share here, you can simply deposit $27 and unlock this immediately. So what you need to do is to deposit $27. You automatically unlock this VIP and start withdrawing $1 on daily basis by doing simple task here. Now for VIP 2, what you need to deposit is $97. So as you can see it right here. So and same goes with other VIP levels, but for us to unlock this VIP 1 for free without deposit, we need to follow this strategy that I want to show you right here. So first thing you're going to do is to go back, and you see that you have your balance reflecting here already. So to grab this offer for free, all you need to do is to copy your referral link. You go to your home, So when I go to my home, you see that I have this particular icon that is showing invite friends. So when you use this invite friends button, you click here, and it will pop up and you come to this place that right down here. You copy your link. So immediately you copy this link and share with your friends. The number of your referral gets to 22 people. You simply request for free VIP. So it's just 22 people that you need to invite in order to unlock that free VIP for yourself. So immediately you will get to 22 people. So how do you know when you get to 22 people? You simply need to come to this place that is showing me. So when you click on me, again you wait for it to load. You come to this team. So after inviting people, you simply click on team to check the number of invitees you've actually gotten. You click here and you see that you've gotten this particular number here. So the total number, as you can see, I have 35 number of people here, and automatically I'll be getting few VIP. So for the sake of someone out there, what I'll advise you is to share your link and get free VIP and start withdrawing $1 for free each day on daily basis right here on this platform without any deposit. But for someone who might actually want to get it fast without any stress, all you need to do is to recharge your account and purchase the VIP one with $27. So what you need to do is click on this recharge here button. So when you click on recharge button, it will take you to the recharge page. Then you click on next. So you click on next. So all you need to do is to deposit $27. Then you click on next here. You copy this wallet address here. You copy this wallet address. So immediately you copy it, go to Binance and transfer 27 USDT, and automatically it will reflect in your account balance. Then you come up and click on this work. So immediately you click on work and click on this just recharge. So immediately you click here to unlock successfully, and you start making $1 daily on this platform. And the minimum withdrawal is 0.01 or $0.1. So you can withdraw $1 on daily basis when you unlock this free VIP one for yourself. So how do we actually get in touch with Telegram platform or the WhatsApp platform, where you will need to contact the customer service for your upgrade? For someone who might actually need to communicate with the customer service, all you need to do is to click on this handle here. So you can simply send a message to the customer service on Telegram, or you can simply come to this place and click right here on this icon. So you click on this icon. Now you see that a page will pop up, list of options where you can communicate with any of these, or you can join the Telegram group, send your screenshot, then you get your account upgraded to VIP one for free. So that is actually how this platform works, and this is actually one of the best currently, where you get free VIP with just 22 invitees and unlock free withdrawals on daily basis for yourself on this platform. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you need any assistance from me, you can simply drop a message on the comment section so that I can be able to attend to that. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.